what is thermodynamics and what is the system, surroundings and types of the system. In this class we will discuss some more technical words. The technical words are used in this chapter: thermal equilibrium, state variables. Thermal equilibrium and state variables. Now, what is thermal equilibrium? If the temperatures of the two systems, if the temperature of the two systems are equal, then they are said to be in thermal equilibrium. Means, you take this is one system, this is one system, it is another system, both are different. If the temperature of the two systems are equal, this temperature is same, both are different objects, but this temperature and this temperature is same, then they are said to be in thermal equilibrium. Means it is in equilibrium, thermal equilibrium. It is in thermal equilibrium. What is the meaning of that? From this point to this point to this point, temperature is same. And not only that, you take this one from here to here or here to here or anywhere in this object temperature. Anywhere in this object temperature is same and both the temperature also same. Now we can say that is in thermal equilibrium. Is it clear? Thermal equilibrium. Our body also, imagine like that. From our head to the toe, the temperature what happened? Say, we can say our body also, we can feel that thermal equilibrium. Means temperature of the two systems are equal, then they are said to be in thermal equilibrium. Okay? You take one system, another system, both temperatures are same. It's called thermal equilibrium. Next, state variables. State, we know that one. State, solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, we can say. In that one, what are the variables which are changes? Especially in the thermodynamics, which are changes? That are called state variables. The state variables are two. Number one, intensive variables. Another one is extensive variables. In thermodynamics, two state variables are there. Number one, intensive variables, extensive variables. Now, what is the state variables? The state of the system described by, means you take one system. In that system, what about the pressure? What about the temperature? What about the density? These three are called as intensive variables. The state of the system describes, means it explains about these three. That three are called intensive variables. And next, the state of the system describes what about internal energy, what about value, what about mass. These three are called by which one? Extensive variables. These are intensive, that are extensive variables. The state of the system described by these extensive variables. Now, what is the state variables? The state of the system describes both intensive and extensive variables. Is called state variables. Means how the pressure is changed, temperature is changed, density is changed, internal energy is changed, volume is changed, and mass is changed. In the system is called as state variables. Means the system describes, means explains how the pressure, temperature, density, internal energy, value and mass are changed. That is called as state variables. Okay. Now, Now 6 are there. In the 6, pressure, temperature, density. These 3 are called intensive variables. Internal energy, volume and mass. These 3 are called extensive variables. Now, is there any connection between these 6? Yes, there is a connection. The connection between the state variables is called by equation of state. Means we have some relation between pressure and temperature. We have a relation between pressure and volume. We have a relation between density and mass. We have a relation between internal energy and temperature. We can express in one form of equation. That is called as equation of state. But already in the previous chapter we know the relation between pressure and volume. Boyle's law. Volume and temperature, Charles' first law. Pressure and temperature, Charles' second law. And next of all, density also we are used. Density also we are used in the derivation of ideal gas equation. Here also we use ideal gas equation. But anyhow, the connection between the intensive variables, extensive variables, or connection between only on the intensive variables, the connection between only the extensive variables, connection between intensive variables, or connection between intensive variable, or connection between intensive and extensive variables is explained by the equation. That equation is called equation of state. Next, you see the 6 state variables: pressure, volume, density, internal energy, volume and mass. But in these 6, pressure, temperature, volume. In these 3, pressure, temperature, volume. Pressure P, temperature T, volume V. These 3 are called as thermodynamic variables. Pressure, volume, temperature, shortcut PVT. PVT, pressure, volume, temperature are called thermodynamic variables. Pressure, volume, temperature are called thermodynamic variables. Okay? I will write that on the board in the next class or in the next session. I will write that one, thermodynamic variables. Which are thermodynamic variables? Pressure, volume, temperature. But pressure, temperature, density is called intensive variables. Internal energy, volume and mass are called extensive variables. And which is describes this one is called state variables. And connection between them by equation is called equation of a state.